Hello and welcome to Apuntes de Español. In this lesson we are going to study the verbs with irregular yo forms in the present tense. Today we'll learn about verbs that have irregular first person singular yo forms in the present tense. Here are the present tense endings for regular verbs in Spanish for future reference. O as a, amos ais an, os hemos eis en, and ose, imos is en. The following list of verbs present an irregularity in the first person singular yo form, while the rest of the conjugations follow the regular pattern for the present tense. Here's the list of the verbs: to do, which is hacer; to live, which is salir; to bring, traer; to put, poner; to suppose, suponer; to fall, caer. This is an example on how we conjugate the verb hacer, to do. The yo form will turn into hago, but the rest of the subjects will follow the regular conjugation, taking out the ending er and adding se, hemos, eis, en. Haces, hace; hacemos, hacéis, hacen. So here you have the table of the 6 irregular verbs and the unique yo form on them. Remember that the rest of the forms will be conjugated as usual. So we have hago, salgo, traigo, pongo, supongo, caigo. In here I'm gonna leave you a practice for you to work with them, knowing that the yo form will be hago, hacer will be the translation, so hago, and then we just work with the stem as we know it, and adding those endings, so haces, hemos. Same with salir. To live is salir, the yo form is salgo, which is different, we need to memorize it, but then the rest of them are conjugated as usual, so sales and salimos in this case, since it's an IR ending verb. You can complete on your own pace the rest of the examples, and whenever you are ready, check in the description the answers. If you are enjoying this kind of worksheets and videos, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit some likes, because that helps us greatly to keep growing. The last paper that we're going to find in this worksheet is a list of exercises that you can do on your own, in which you just need to fill in the blank with the verbs presented in the parentheses. So what you will have to do is find the verb and then think about who is the subject. So the subject in this one is to, right? So hacer with to is going to be haces. So right there, haces. Stop the video and work with all of these examples, and whenever you are ready, check on the description for the answer sheet and you will find the answers right there on the right. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.